Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Vinegar tastes great in a ton of recipes, and it's fantastic when mixed with olive oil and drizzled over salad. In Europe, it's a staple of the Mediterranean diet. Yet those aren't the only reasons why everyone keeps vinegar in their pantries. It can be used in a wide variety of household projects. Take a look at the video to learn more about how useful vinegar can be in other places besides the kitchen. In cleaning, take an empty spray bottle and add equal parts water and vinegar with a dash of liquid soap for a perfect all-purpose cleaning solution. Spray it on sticky, tough-to-clean spots, including in the bathroom, and let it stand for a short time. The vinegar will loosen up the dirt and make cleaning easier. Vinegar's great on windows and eyeglasses. It will remove dust as well as streaks and fingerprint smudges. Remember to use the proper cloth so you don't scratch the surface of your glasses. It's even effective in cleaning the kitchen. When your pots and pans have food and sticky residue built up, add some vinegar to them and let it soak in for a while. Come back and get those dishes spotless. Removal of odors. Maybe you've got an area in your home that smells terrible. It could be the trash can or a humid corner of the basement. Try dampening a piece of bread with white vinegar and leaving it in the offending area overnight. The next day, throw the piece of bread away because it will have soaked up all of the stinky odors and have left that part of the home smelling much cleaner. As a repellent, with apple cider vinegar, you can make a homemade fly catcher. Simply leave some apple cider vinegar in a mason jar and cover the lid with duct tape rather than the lid. Put some holes in the duct tape so that the flies can enter, but not large enough for them to fly out. They will be attracted to the apple cider vinegar and away from you. Vinegar is also a deterrent for cats who love to scratch on furniture. Spray some vinegar where they like to leave their claw marks and they will avoid it. A plumber's assistant. Well, you really don't need to even call the plumber if your drain is stopped up and you've got some vinegar in your kitchen. Add a cup of baking soda to the drain, then 1 cup of vinegar. The chemical reaction will work to unclog that stubborn sink. Run hot water down the drain once the clog is removed. Wrinkle remover. If you're in a bind because your iron went out, just mix 1 part of vinegar to 3 parts water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on those wrinkled pants and let them dry. The vinegar will work wonder on those wrinkles and no one will notice that you didn't iron them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.